gratitude lang talagang nararamdaman ko ngayon. I'm so honored na pang ilang kontrata ko na to with the station, and to me that just feels like they trust me and I feel so valued and lucky to be here.
It is only 20 years, tama ba ako? 20 years mo na.
This is my 19th year, so malapit na. Magto-20 na.
Natanong na ka na kanina, ano yung mga memorable sa'yo o yung mga tumatak sa puso mo talaga ng mga shows?
Na mga
nagawa mo
shows?
sa GMA?
I would say Captain Barbell and ano yun? So Captain Barbell changed my life. La Lola is my first title role. Stairway to Heaven.
Kasi?
Natuto ako magdrama.
Okay, buka buo ng drama.
Oo, napakabigat. Ano pa, Rich Man's Daughter.
Dahil?
Kasi it was the first of its kind. Walang ganon sa Philippine TV before, and it made me feel like I'm also a part of other people's lives. I'm telling a story that doesn't get to be told. Totga, because I just enjoyed it so much and it was funny. It felt so natural and
Very light lang, ano?
I mean, may drama parts din siya, pero alam mo yun, kahit malanding, parang sosyalerang malandi yung character ko, parang nahanap ko pa rin yung humanity niya. And alam mo yun, I loved her. That's why, parang simula nun, I started liking yung mga offbeat characters. Kasi parang, when I read yung Totga, sabi ko, people are gonna hate me the most from the three girls. But, alam mo yun, it was still so fun to play and naging tao pa rin si Zoe. So, after nun, yun na yung lagi kong hinahanap. Yung mga offbeat, yung mga gray, yung mga akala mo hindi mo magugustuhan. Yun na yung mga naging favorite ko. Tapos sabi ko, alam mo yun, wala naman palang good guy and bad guy. We're just all people going through the world.
And no, definitely Mitena.
And now, yes. So, of course, Royal Blood pa. After that, Pulang Araw was also really
Magaling ka
memorable.
rin
Kahit
doon.
one day lang ako doon.
mahusay
But
ka doon,
still. But, and then, now, Mitena.
Mitena.
Oo.
Anong feeling mo ang Mitena ay saging parang bukang bibig talaga? Parang isa ka sa bida talaga dun sa hanggat inaabangan yung karakter mo.
I mean, there's something about Mitena talaga that is so memeable. And I'm so grateful for that. The biggest compliment that people give me about Mitena is sabi nila yung naramdaman nila siya at naiintindihan nila. Kasi parang hindi naman natin usually ugaling tanggapin or intindihin yung mga masasamang character. But ayun na nga, it's just such a beautifully written role. Ang ganda ng journey ng
Pinagmulan kasi naman si
character.
Mitena.
So, ayun, parang she became very real to me also. Kasi nga na I got to discover her past and everything. So, ayun, I just feel very lucky. And hindi ko in-expect na ganito yung magiging pagtanggap ng mga tao. So, I can either be the most hated or loved. It's all the same to me. I'm just happy na, they're, alam mo yun, para bang, they're really experiencing Encantadia as a real world.
Rian, kasi before, naging open ka naman, na dumaan ka sa depression before, na may mga pedaanan ka mabibigat. Na nalagpasan mo naman.
Oo.
Ano yung naging support sa'yo ng GMA during that time?
Naging support sa akin ng GMA.
Para malagpasan mo yung
I
phase sa buhay mo.
think it really says a lot na hindi nila ako iniwan.
Okay.
Alam mo yon, kasi alam ko naman, di ba, kaya nga show business eh. It's a business. And, it's so easy to treat someone like a business, but GMA didn't do that. They treated me like a person who is still learning, who's still growing, and they gave me the opportunity to, learn from my life experiences and grow and be better. And so parang for me, since the station was so accepting of me at my worst times, I owe them all of my best.
So never mo naisip na lumipat ng ibang istasyon? Never?
Never,
Ever
no.
enter your mind?
No, kasi parang, alam mo yun, it's not it's not me being loyal to the way I see my life and my career. The way when I look back, they were loyal to me this whole time.
Okay, right.
And you know, there's nothing that could replace that.
Yeah. Kamusta na kayong dalawa ni Sam? Is here now to give you a support?
Well, we're great, and I'm so happy to have someone, a partner that is so supportive of me. As you can see naman, the people here are the ones that are invested in my career. Of course, it's my management, Rachel, my handler, my manager, Michael Oykoko. My mom is here, obviously, because she's my mom. So he really didn't have to be here, but he chose to be here. He knew that this is a really big day for me. This is like a really big moment for me, and he's here to support me.
Before kasi, naalala mo nun sa press ko ng business ng Meg and Ryan,
Yeah.
napag-usapan yung issue ng, I think, prenuptial.
Yeah, okay,
and
yeah.
hanggang ngayon ba ganun pa rin ang stand ba about that?
Yes, of course. It didn't change in a month.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you still believe in that?
Yes, I really believe that prenups are a very healthy practice. I don't really think that there's anything wrong with it.
Yeah.
I intend, like, ever since, I intend to do that because, alam mo yun, if it's a partnership between, you know, two people, in the same way that I had a contract signing
yes.
today, it's a partnership with me and this station, and these are the terms of our, it should be us na nag-uusap about it, hindi yung contract na parang ginawa for someone else how many years ago, like 200 years ago. Dapat kami yung nag-uusap about it, kami yung maglilay ng terms ng sarili naming agreement.
Kasi may mga babae na offend pa ganyan eh. Pag may mga prenuptial, parang na-hurt yung feelings nila. Dahil ang tingin sa kanila, materialistic, whatsoever. What is your reaction on that?
No, it's okay. Just write in the prenup that it's all yours.
Tama naman. Tama.
Hindi naman it doesn't, I mean, kasi yung concept ng prenup is that means you get nothing. That's not what a prenup does. It just, basically, it's just the terms of your agreement.
Yun lang yun.
Oo, you can have any kind of, I mean, kayo naman yung mag-uusap kung ano yung, you know,
Kasi
ano yung
people
agreement
thought,
na yun.
pag prenuptial, tama ba ako? Lahat ng kinita mo ng dalaga ka sa'yo, same thing pag lalaki, lahat ng pera niya mula nung binata siya ay kanya. At mag-share lang kayo kung ano yung kikitain niyo kung nagpakasal na kayo.
Oo, pero lahat ng utang niya sa'yo din. Sige ka.
Oo nga, tama nga
Oo,
naman.
utang.
Dapat yung utang niya na binata siya, kanya. Tama ba ako? Tama naman, di ba? Tama.
Oo, share kayo sa lahat.
Oo nga.
Pati sa problema.
Oo nga.
Well, gano'n naman talaga ang marriage. I guess. That's also a definition.
And you're very open naman, sabi mo nga, hindi pa nakikita yung sarili mo, hindi pa napag-uusapan, pero you still don't see any definite date for that.
Yes, wala pa. Wala pa kaming date or plan. But, I mean, you know, he's talking to my mom right now. Who
Yun na
knows
nga
what
eh.
they're talking about?
Ayun na nga, paano kinakausap
Maybe
ng
they're-
nanay mo at
Who knows?
nagawa po. Wala about that.
Maybe, malapit na.
yeah.
Maybe hindi.
Oo, pwedeng gano'n naman din.
Anything naman, I mean, the thing is, I've really learned already not to, like, super make plans about my life. Tinatanggap ko lang kung ano yung dinadala sa akin ng buhay at ni Lord, kung ano yung gusto niya sa akin. Kasi napansin ko, pag ako yung gumagawa ng plano, medyo hindi...
Sumasablay minsan
Oo,
ba?
medyo sumasablay eh. Pero pag tinatanggap ko lang kung ano yung gusto sa akin ni Lord, kung ano, it's always the best. Like, you know, this showbiz was not my plan. That was God.
Yeah.
And yung career pathing ko, this is not my plan. I didn't say, GMA, can you give me, you know,
role, this
a
ganyan.
Margaret Royales in Royal Blood, or can you give me a Mitena in... This is, lahat is, wala akong kinalaman sa plano, and it's always the best outcome.
Okay, last na lang. Kailangan na? Okay.
Question lang, what makes it special to be a couple after a long period of time?
After a long period of time, napansin ko kasi na through the years, they've just been giving me non-stop pabigat ng pabigat.
Yung mga
And-
roles.
Oo, meatier and meatier. Hindi ako, alam mo yon nauubusan ng gagawin at natututunan. Lagi ako may first. As in, every year, may bago na naman akong first time. So, for me, I'm just honored to still be a Kapuso because I can see na para bang yung trust din nila sa akin nag-grow. Parang dun ko siya binabase sa kung anong klaseng roles yung binibigay sa akin eh. So, ayun, parang nafe-feel ko talaga yung pagtiwala ng network. I'm so honored. Nakita ko naman din yung attendance today, di ba?
Present sila lahat, ano?
These are all the faces that you will only see at GMA Anniversary or GMA Gala. And yet, they're here this morning for me. And, you know, I really feel like this station is my family and I'm going to do everything to give the Kapuso audience the absolute best of me.
Right.
Do you still see yourself like 5 years from now? Nakapuso ka rin?
Yes, because my contract's 5 years. Hindi.
Ilang years ba ang contact mo? 5 years?
4 and something. Parang ganun.
Parang 5 years
so
nga.
Oo. So yeah.
2030.
Actually, I see myself in 5 years with you guys signing the new
Renewal
kasi
na.
it's due.
Paano pang ilang renewal mo na siya, Ria?
Sorry.
Pang ilang renewal?
Oh my gosh, good
10 times ba?
question.
10
10 times.
Parang
Fa-
5 or 6. Parang
Wow,
ganun.
tagal
I'm
na
not
pala.
sure.
Okay?
Yun lang.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay lang. Masunurin kami. Thank you.
Eh, Ria, pahabol lang. In almost 20 years sa industry, mayroon ka ba bang gustong gawin? Or mga
Dream
dream
roles?
role?
Oh, yeah.
Dream role.
Na hindi mo pa
ba?
nagagawa.
I'm hoping na, alam mo yun, bago maging brittle ang bones ko, sana makagawa ko ng action.
Action, yes.
Oo, I really want to do like an action
Naman
role.
Angelina Jolie.
And, huh?
Angelina Jolie.
Yeah, I love a good comedy love story. So I feel like something like Mr. and Mrs. Smith is like a dream for me.
Ayan.
Bongga.
Maraming salamat sa
Thank you.
Thank
Pwede
you.
picture kaming app. Sama tayo.
Group photo.